Alright, so this is my 1981 Chevy G30 motorhome. I think it's like a 21 foot or something like that. And it's 35 degrees, sort of a cold start. Although it hasn't been started in a month, so it'll be a old start, cold start. '81 Chevy G30 motorhome, kind of under construction type of thing. No, don't drop the keys. Okay, let's see here. Ignition. This thing has 55,000 miles on it. So for 1981, that is remarkable. Although it is a motorhome, so motorhomes don't travel as much as regular vehicles, but let's see. Hasn't been started in about a month. 35 degrees out. See how she does. I'll just give it a couple pumps. Just two. There we go. Not bad. Even the battery stayed pretty well. Sounds good too. V8, I think it's a 351 or something like that. 351 Chevy V8. Let's see here. There we go. Let's see here. Somewhere out there. There we go. 5.7 liter V8 gas. California emissions, blah blah. A little rusty, I'm gonna have to replace that. Other than that, it runs pretty damn good. Crazy day. Man, dirty. Not bad. Sounding exhaust too. All right. She's running good. That about ends that video.